For some reason, many brands don't focus on all gas professional ranges, but gas is better because of moisture heat. It's better for roasting. And the infrared broiler is better for boiling than an electric and a dual fuel. And it's also better if you don't have the 240 volt power that you need in a dual fuel. So in this video, you'll see the key features to a new brand that many people consider the best professional gas ranges. Stay to the end to learn the brand and the price. Let's start at the cooking surface. You have two 20,000 BTU burners, making this one of the most powerful on the market, with three 15,000 and one 10,000 BTU as well. Two of the burners drop to only 100 BTU, turning on and off to keep that low temperature. That ties it with thermal for the lowest simmer available. You have another option besides 6 burners. You could use 4 burners in their gas chromium griddle. Chromium is the easiest griddle surface to clean. Griddles can cook anything, by the way, not just breakfast foods. The knobs light up when in use, and you can even set timers on them. This is a nice feature as an indicator that they're on and can help you manage cooking times. The oven controls are unique. You can scroll through the options and choose any number of modes or cook with the recipes already programmed in the range. It's completely unique with true European convection, meaning the air is blown from the back, not from the bottom and distributed by the fan. See that element behind the fan? That is the pure convection element. Only Blue Star offers pure convection in their all-gas Platinum Pro Gas range. The broiler is an 18,000 BTU infrared. Infrared's an intense directed heat and great for searing. In fact, the fancy Pro Gas grills use infrared as their sear burner. Lastly, you have self-cleaning and a shorter steam clean cycle. You may think self-cleaning is standard on an expensive Pro range, but the most popular brands do not offer self-cleaning in their all-gas ranges. The price in this range is $54.99 after a $500 rebate, so it is $1,500 to $2,500 less than other popular brands, even with more features and a better warranty of 3 full years. The brand is SKS, the premium division of LG, one of the most reliable brands based on 37,000 plus service calls logged by our service department just last year. Want to see how SKS compares to other 36-inch ranges? Click this link, and thanks for watching.